What's up, guys? My M156 and my C63 is finally due for some air filters. Instead of replacing some OEM ones, I got these, the upgraded AFE Pro Dry S's. Now, Mercedes recommends you replace your air filters about every 15 to 20,000 miles, but if you kind of dust them out every 6 months, I'd say it's more than enough to kind of prolong the life of them. But I think I'm finally at the point where this car is ready for its third set of air filters at 40,000 miles. So I'm going to put these AFE Pro Dries in, basically just drop in. You'll have a little bit more flow. Very common when you upgrade your row boxes, you upgrade your stock air boxes to the rest of world European air boxes. Anyways, let's get right to it. First, we're going to remove up the this top engine cover over here. If you guys want, you could do this on the car and take the air, these top covers off with still attached to the car. But I don't recommend doing that, as you can easily lose one of these torque screws behind. So I say take off this front cover first. Then we can pull off these little snorkels over here, and then we can actually pull out the entire air box after unplugging the MAF sensor and also undoing this little guy over here. Take this cap off, unplug this guy, let's pull this guy back. There we go, got it all out. There's a little tab at the bottom you gotta press, and then for the other side, there's a tab on the top, which also comes out. Now we can slightly loosen this clamp over here, if I can get the screwdriver aimed in there properly. There we go. That should be good enough. And at this point, the entire thing just kind of pull out. There are a few little tabs on the bottom, and there we go. Here I've got my passenger side airbox. Nothing really much to say about this. The next I'll be taking off the top cover. Alright, so once we've got all 5 T25 screws out, the entire cover will simply pop off, and as you can see, my air filter is pretty disgusting. As you can see, somehow a whole ass bee ended up inside this air filter, so I guess the filter was doing its job. So with your top cover of your air filter box, you have to take this filter out and just dust it out and then replace it. I'd also dust out this container as well, considering there's a lot of debris in there. Alright, with the fatter part facing down, we can just plop in our new AFE Pro Dry S filters. To reinstall, just reverse of exactly what we did. Put the cover back on, screw the screws back in, pop it back into place on top of these little grommets over here, these little pins, wherever you want to call them, and then plug the MAF back in, MAF covers back on, put the engine cover back on. That's really all you have to do. Alrighty, guys, got both filters installed, which means only one thing left to do, which is start the car. Well, that's it for this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions about these filters at all. Got the box all information right over here. Gonna toss these old filters now, but yeah. Peace out.